Now first example in polar form, show that limits are given. Integration outer limit 0 to a, inner limits 0 to under root of a square minus x square, e raised to minus x square minus y square dx dy. We have to show that this is equal to pi by 4 in bracket 1 minus e raised to minus a square. Now in this example limits are given. Now first we have to find region. We have to decide that we can use polar form or not. Inner limits are in terms of x. Inner limits, upper limit, the variable is x, and therefore we have to take the values of inner limits as y is equal to. For region, that is important. Inner limits are in terms of x, therefore take these limits as y is equal to. Y is equal to 0. Lower limit means y is equal to 0. Upper limit is also value of y. Y is equal to under root of a square minus x square. Now suppose we solve this equation. Here squaring both sides. After squaring, you will get y square is equal to under root a square minus x square bracket square. Root and bracket square will get cancelled. Therefore only a square minus x square. Then this minus x square in LHS side becomes plus x square plus y square is equal to a square. And this is standard equation of the circle. Now this is a circle with center 0 0 and radius is a. Now from inner limits we just get here that region, it is a some part of circle. We get equation of circle, that means there is a circle, and y is equal to 0 means which axis? This is equation of x-axis, positive side of x-axis. Now if inner limits are values of y, then outer limits take values of x. For outer limits take x is equal to outer limits. Outer limit, first limit is 0, lower limit, but it is value of x. X is equal to 0 and upper limit is a, therefore x is equal to a. Now outer limits, x is equal to 0 and x is equal to a. Now in vertical strip we have seen that outer limits means x coordinate in starting and end point in moment of the strip. These are only x coordinate. X is equal to 0 is equation of y axis. Now region is first quadrant of the circle x square plus y square is equal to a square. Now we know there is a circle x square plus y square is equal to a square. Now if the region is total circle or first quadrant, it decides that if the values of both coordinate, that is x and y, here y is equal to 0, that is positive, y is equal to under root, but sign is positive, it is not negative. Y is plus root of a square minus x square, y coordinate is positive, x is equal to 0 and x is equal to a. X is equal to value is plus a, x is equal to 0 is positive side of y axis. Then both values of x and y are positive. All the coordinates are positive, therefore the region is the first quadrant of the circle. That is important, because without figure we cannot find the limits of r and theta. Region is the first quadrant of the circle. Now this is a figure, only first means positive quadrant. If in Cartesian you can give this name as y is equal to 0, equation of x axis, x is equal to 0, equation of y-axis, and this is the radius. This radius is a, 0 to a. Now in polar form, limits of theta is equal to rotation of the strip. We'll start from this line. That line is theta is equal to 0, and we have to cover this whole region that will end with line theta is equal to pi by 2. Limits of theta from 0 to pi by 2. Limits of r, lower limit of r at this point, r value is, r means strip, r is equal to 0, but here r and strip and radius is same. Then here upper end of the strip means radius, r is equal to radius is a. Limits of r from 0 to a, limits of theta from 0 to pi by 2. Now integration is, it is double integration e raised to minus x square minus y square dx dy. Now question is, why we can use polar form? When generally there are the regions like circle, ellipse, then you can easily use polar form. Because again one term is that e raised to, this integral is containing double integration. If you take here minus common, then in bracket it becomes x square plus y square. Generally in these problems x square plus y square terms are present, and the region is generally ellipse or circle. Now here x square plus y square, in this place we can write directly, if you take polar form it will become e raised to minus r square. Therefore polar, you can easily use here polar form. Therefore polar coordinates of the circle, polar coordinates for circle is x is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta, and x square plus y square is equal to r square. Then at the place of x square plus y square we can put r square. dx dy is r dr d theta. For substitution we have to take these two values. Put this substitution in 1. Then integral becomes e raised to minus, don't take x and y, you can directly write x square plus y square is r square, e raised to minus r square, and value of dx dy is r dr d theta, r dr d theta, e raised to minus r square r dr d theta. Now limits, generally take inner limits as a r from 0 to a, upper limit is a, and outer limits take as a limits of theta from 0 to pi by 2, 0 to pi by 2, and second limit 0 to a, e raised to minus r square r dr d theta. And both limits are constant, we can solve separately. Both limits are constant, then integrate separately with respect to theta and r. Both limits are constant. We can integrate separately with respect to theta and r. Now, separately means limits from 0 to pi by 2, it is a limit of theta, and the theta term is only d theta, no other theta term, therefore it is only d theta. And separately limits of r, take the terms of r in limits of r from 0 to a, the terms of r e raised to minus r square r dr, e raised to minus r square r dr. Now integrate separately with respect to theta. You can integrate easily. Integration of d theta is only theta. Theta, first solve 0 to pi by 2, integration of d theta is theta only. But for second integration we have to make some adjustment. You can take substitution also, but easy method is, now suppose here derivative of r square or minus r square is minus 2 r dr. Derivative of minus r square is minus 2r dr. Now in this integration we have to just take adjustment, that is 0 to a, minus 2r required, but e raised to minus r square in bracket we are taking, r is already present, we are taking extra minus 2 and dr. Or derivative of, suppose it is minus r square only, then also minus 2r. Minus 2 extra term, constant term, therefore we can divide it by minus 2 also. Extra term is minus 2, therefore take minus half. What is adjustment? E raised to minus r square, r is already here, but derivative of minus r square is minus 2r, minus 2 is multiplied and minus 2 is divided. Divide term, that is constant, therefore we can take it outside. Then limits of theta. Upper limit pi by 2 minus lower limit 0. Limits of theta pi by 2 minus 0. Now minus half 0 to a, minus half term is already here, minus half. Now use here, for this type of integration, use here integration of e raised to fr. E raised to fr means function of r, and the side term is f dash r dr is equal to only e raised to f of r. You can use this formula in another variable also, this like fx, fy. Here is term is in r, therefore we can write this as e raised to fr f dash r dr means integration of e raised to fr means minus r square, and its derivative is minus 2r and dr. Then you can write directly integration e raised to minus r square. Fr is minus r square and f dash r is minus 2r. Minus half integration of this whole term is e raised to minus r square. It is very simple. Limits 0 to a. Now pi by 2 into minus half minus pi by 4. Then limits e raised to minus r square from 0 to a. Upper limit is r is equal to a, lower limit r is equal to 0. Minus pi by 4 into upper limit is r is equal to a, e raised to minus a square, minus lower limit e raised to minus 0 means 0, but e raised to 0 is 1. Then pi by 4, if we take minus sign multiplied inside, minus e raised to minus a square minus minus plus, e raised to 0 is 1, and answer is pi by 4 into 1 minus e raised to minus a square. Answer. Last value. So